Okay, so what I want to try and show here is how you can use the Microsoft Edge browser to listen to Irish out loud. And all you have to do is highlight a paragraph or a passage on the page, click the right mouse button and go read aloud selection.
Féile chultúrtha is an tuireachtas. Sé an aimimetá leis an uireachtas.
As soon as it starts reading, you'll get up the top of the page, a read aloud bar, control bar, which has a forward button, back button, and fast forward. And then over on the far right of that same bar up the top will be voice options. Got it currently set to column, but you can also set it to Aula. So there's quite a lot of different language voices that you can choose from, but in Irish, it makes sense to use the Irish ones. Um, what else? There's speed control, so you can go fast, which can be good if you're attuning your ear to listening to at a faster pace, which makes when you hear ordinary speed, it's less daunting. So it's good to practice sometimes with that. So we just play on that.
Iireachtas ná alíonna dúchasacha na hÉireann a chur chun cinn, agus a
Or you can make it slower. I'm going to make it slower.
cheilúra tríbheán na Gaeilge. Idir amhránaíocht.
And that can be useful if you're having difficulty picking out the syllables. It can be useful to go a bit slower like that. I'll just put it back to normal now. The other thing you'll notice is that as it reads out loud, it will highlight each word that it's reading. Another feature of it is that you can read aloud the whole page, and that's quite good as well. But if there are any things like subtitles under pictures and things like that, it will read everything on the page, absolutely everything. So if you're just wanting to listen to a paragraph, it's easier to listen. Just highlight the paragraph and listen to that. And that's all there is to it.